Good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for today. First up, I'll start with the stocks that will be in focus on the back of their earnings. Starting with Hpcl, they managed very good growth in their profits, a 2.6 times jump in their profits on a year-on-year basis, and now the profits stand at 2,252 crores. Last year in Q1 FY20, they managed a profits of only 855 crores. This is mainly aided by the lower crude prices that is really benefiting the company. Obviously, that's the main thing. So that is really benefiting the company. Talking about the revenues of the business, yes, we are seeing a decline in terms of revenues. The revenues have come in only at 46,168 crores versus last year it was around 74,878 crores. Margins, again, we are seeing an expansion of 730 basis points, a nice expansion in margins, mainly aided by the lower expenses. So all in all, a good set of numbers from Hpcl, and we may see some movement in the stock today. Talking about Indian hotels now, obviously the hotel business has been under pressure mainly due to the lockdown. The occupancy rates were almost as much as nil in some part of the period. So we are seeing that the profits of the company have also they're not posting a profit this time. This time actually it's a loss. So we are seeing a loss of around 312 crores versus a profit last time of 5 crores. Also, the overall revenue of the business has declined by 86% on a year-on-year basis, and it's only come in at 143 crores. Talking about the EBITDA of the company, the EBITDA stood negative at 266 crores for the quarter. So surely we are seeing some pressure here in terms of the business of the company, and let's see how this actually recovers. Till the lockdown does not open up, until you do not start going, consumers do not start coming back, customers do not start coming back, we could continue to see some pressure here. But all in all, let's see how the stock reacts in yesterday. Moving on to Voda Idea. Now, obviously we know there's pressure on this company for a while. Now, the Telecom player has widened his losses this time, and the losses have come in at 25,460 crores versus 11,644 crores in the previous quarter. You normally compare a quarter-on-quarter basis for telecom companies. So on a quarter-on-quarter basis, the losses have widened for the company. There's an exceptional loss this time of around 19,000 crores, 19,900 crores to be precise. So that is also something that is weighing on the losses of the company and weighing on the bottom line of the company. The revenues of the company have also declined by 5.42%, and they've come in at around 10,659 crores. The ARPU, that's the average revenue per user, is for the quarter is declined to 114 against rupees 121 in the preceding quarter. So surely we are going to keep an eye out on Vodafone. Lastly, I want to talk about Lupin. Here, Lupin has signed a pact with Voda Pharma, which is for exclusive rights and marketing and distributing of 2 complex injectable assets in advanced stages, which are in advanced stages of development in the US and its territories. So something we'll keep an eye out for the developments in Lupin, and we'll keep an eye out on the stock as well today. And lastly, I have Jubilant Foodworks here. The company has forayed into an FMCG category, from pizza to an FMCG category, and this is in Chef Boss range, and this is a ready-to-cook gravy, sauces, pastas. So this launch of 8 products are across Indian as well as Chinese cuisine, and this will initially be exclusively for their e-commerce portals, but surely we are going to keep an eye out as the company is foraying into FMCG category as well now. So a step of development and change with the changing times is what Jubilant Foodwork is doing. So surely keep an eye out for this stock.